Medication list. In this section, you can log in all medications that the person you are caring for is taking. To add a medication to your list, press the plus icon on the bottom right. Then, by pressing the pencil icon next to each section on this page, enter the medication name, dosage, and the time of day to take the medication. At the bottom, you can choose a color that will represent this medication on the graph. For more information about the graph, watch the Dementia Talk graph tutorial. Now, let's add another medication and see what happens. I've entered Elavil in a dosage of 50 milliliters to be taken once a day. Now, look what happens when I save it. An alert comes up. This is a hidden feature of the app that is meant to alert you to some medications that, according to the literature, might be unfit for a person who has dementia. If such medication is typed in, you will get this alert. Once you get this alert, you have two options. One, to press ignore. This will keep the alert sign on the medication in your medication list, as you see on the screen, to remind you to discuss this medication with a physician. Please note that this alert is not medical advice, and by no means should you change or stop intake of any prescribed medications without consulting your physician first. Two, your second option is to resolve. Once you press resolve, the alert will disappear and will no longer appear in your medication list. Or press resolve and delete the alert completely. Let's say that you've received the alert, but you won't be able to speak to the doctor before next week. You can leave the alert open by pressing ignore, and that way it will still be visible in your medication list. Once you have spoken to your doctor, you can enter the medication and press resolve.